Guys, today we talk about how can you turn on restaurant reviews notifications on your OpenTable app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. Then it's going to take us to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then you click here on communications. Then you come to this list and you go down here and you click here on email notifications. So then you come to this list, come here to restaurant reviews, click in this sign here, that like you see this color show for us. That's mean restaurant reviews turn on with us now, and you go back, click here and you click on save, then it's going to save with us. That's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.